Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to tell you all about the derma roller, benefits and the uses of it. So before that, if you all are new here, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about my next video. And if you do like this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So let's see what is derma roller and how it looks like. So this is the derma roller and this is how it looks like. And the one end of the derma roller there is a handle, and the other end of the derma roller there is a roller with many fine needles on it, as you can see here. And here is an anti-slip grip here. And the benefits of the derma roller are it prevents wrinkles and anti-aging and recovers the acne pits or scars. Even I have many scars over here on my cheeks, but I'm using it from 3 months, so you can see the scars which have been shrinked and getting filled by a new skin layer. Now let's see how the derma roller works. When you roll the derma roller onto your skin, these fine needles create punctures into your skin and cause injury to the skin and does not cause damage to the outer layer of the skin. These fine needles helps to break down the scar tissue and trigger the wound healing response that are form new blood vessels into your skin, stimulates the growth and makes more amount of collagen. So now let's see how to use the derma roller. First step, that is you have to cleanse your face. There should not be any small amount of dust particle onto your skin. With this derma roller onto your skin, there is a chances of the dust particles to enter into your skin. So you're supposed to cleanse your skin first for the treatment, and then you're supposed to sterile the derma roller. Now, how to sterile the derma roller? You're going to spray the alcohol onto the roller and wash it with warm water and let it dry. Then later you're going to roll the derma roller onto the skin in 3 directions, that is vertical, horizontal and diagonal. Very light strokes. You're not going to put pressure onto the skin when you're rolling the derma roller on the skin. You're going to just gently roll it onto the skin. Then next, after you're rolling the derma roller to the whole face, you're going to apply the toner onto your whole face and let it dry until it gets absorbed into your skin, and going to apply any kind of serums or night gel or night creams as you prefer. And after use, again you're going to sterile the derma roller in the same way, that is spray the alcohol on the roller and wash it with warm water and let it dry, and store it again in the storage container of the derma roller. So now I'm going to show the derma roller practice. So this is the packaging of the derma roller I use. As there are various brands, the packaging varies of the outer box, but the inner storage case will be same. It has when you open the box, you have a storage case in it to store the derma roller, and the derma roller has 540 needles on it, and needle size is 0.5 mm. You're not going to use it with other individual, you're going to use it for self. You're not going to share it with other individual. So now I've already steriled the derma roller with alcohol and washed it with warm water. So, and even I've washed my face for the treatment. So directly I'm going to show the directions to you roll the derma roller onto your face, that is vertical, horizontal and diagonal. You're not going to roll this derma roller on the same section for more than 5 seconds. So this is how you do it for the whole face, and it takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes to complete your whole face. And after this treatment, you're not going to use any kind of soap or face wash for next 8 hours, and no cosmetics, even a kajal, for next 24 hours. And stop avoiding for going for the sunlight, because there is a chances of burning your skin, because there are small injuries into your skin. And after this, you're going to apply the toner. The Cucumber toner is the best for this treatment after use, but after you use there will be a small burning sensation when you apply the toner, but need not to worry. And after the toner is dried and absorbed into the skin, you're going to apply the moisturizer and complete the treatment with the moisturizer, or you can even apply serums or any night kind of night gel, and you're going to do this treatment only in the night, and twice a week you're going to do this treatment. And that is it. Thank you for watching.